So good evening everyone. So today we have with us Anchal Singla who got offer from Deloitte with a CTC of 7.6 lakhs. Congrats Anchal from the team Aim to Crack, and thank you for joining us and sharing your experience.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for having me here also.
So tell us about the company and the designation for which they have hired you.
The company's name is Deloitte. It is basically an UK-based company which which is based on consulting and the financial and risk advice and the tax and other legal stuff. And the role of the company which I was hired is of data analyst.
Okay. So what is the eligibility criteria and what are the different rounds they have during the interview process?
The eligibility criteria was pretty much simple. The minimum CG must be of 6.5, and there should not be any active backlogs. Interview process. The first was the online aptitude test, and the second was the personal interview round.
Okay. So during the online written test, like how many sections were there?
There were 3 sections: the English, the logical ability, and quantitative ability.
Okay. So in each section you have how many questions, and is there any sectional cutoff?
In the English section there were 25 questions, and the logical and quantitative it had 24 questions each. And for the English, we were given 25 minutes, and the other two we had 35 minutes. There was sectional time limit.
So you can move back the question from previous question to next question, or it's like only one time you can attempt it. Once you moved to the next, you cannot go back to the previous question.
No, we cannot go back to the previous questions, and there was no negative marking.
Okay.
So we just had to fill the every answer.
Okay, so how difficult it was, like whether you were able to solve in the given time limit?
I missed a few questions in the English section. Like in the last few questions, they were big paragraphs, comprehension type. So I missed a few questions there, but the other 2 sections I was able to complete all the questions.
So when you got the result?
The test was held on 7th August, and the result was the list of the shortlisted students came on 11th August.
Okay.
And the interview was on 13th.
It was like a personal interview where you have both your technical and HR, right?
Yes, sir.
So how it started, how long it went?
There was slots divided for different students who were selected. Every slot was of half an hour, but it went for 20 to 23 minutes for mine.
Okay. So what they have asked during the interview?
They started with the basic questions like what is my branch, which city I belong to, and they asked the questions from my resume, what projects, the skills, and whatever I have done.
Okay, so what are the projects you have done earlier?
We had made an useful app for the placement related activities using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for web development. And other questions they were asked, like I have done courses on Coursera of machine learning, web development, Python, etc. So they asked about what is machine learning, what are the real life uses of it, what is there in web development, which language I like.
Okay. So have you able to answer all the technical questions?
Okay. It went through. It was fine.
Okay. So after this technical part, they moved on to HR questions.
Yes, sir. There are some HR questions after that. Like, why Deloitte?
So what is the answer you have given for that? Do you remember it?
Yeah, some of the points that I told that the company is more than 175 years old. It come under the big fours.
Okay.
It is spread across 150 plus nations. It has such a great reputation. I said, why shouldn't anyone be like to join Deloitte?
Okay. So what is the next question they have asked?
Like they said what I like the most in the pre-placement talk. On the same day of the interview, my interview slot was from 11:50 to 12:10 a.m. p.m. and there was pre-placement talk from 9:20 a.m. to 10:30 a.m.
Okay.
So they asked what I like the most in the pre-placement talk.
Okay, so you have told me like the guy who has given the pre-placement talk is the interviewer for you, right?
Yes, sir.
So I think in a way it has worked for you, like he has asked some questions from the pre-placement talk as well.
Yes, sir. Like he asked, like what I like the most in the pre-placement. The interview was really nice. Like in the pre-placement, I saw a slide on which they said they'll be going to zero net emissions by 2030.
Okay.
I said that thing I really liked
Okay.
for sustainable development. They asked like about my family, who are in my family,
Okay.
about my strengths and hobbies written in resume, some basic and
Any other question which you feel like you did not answer it well during this interview?
the technical part.
Okay, so other than technical part, I think you have done it very well.
Yeah, it went very well. So the my HR questions went very well, and after that they asked at the end they asked that if I have any questions for them. So I asked about my feedback, that which points I lack in or what are the plus points. So they said everything was great, my confidence and all, but I lack somewhat in my technical part. So I said them, yeah, I agree. I'll polish them later.
Do you have any suggestions for somebody who is preparing for Deloitte?
The advice I would like to give is like people generally don't focus on the aptitude or the communication skills. They only give stress on the coding or the technical part. But I'd highly suggest that one should have a very good aptitude to clear the minimum the first round at least. Then you'll go further. And the communication skills are also very important. Like for the communication skills, our department had conducted some mock tests and aptitude tests also, and we have learned a lot from that. We gained some experience, like how an interview went. The fear of the interview had gone by giving mock interviews, and that also helped me a lot. And my another suggestion is that if you don't know some technical part or any skill that you have mentioned in resume, they are gonna ask questions about it. So if you don't know anything much, so either don't mention it or be fully prepared about it. There's nothing wrong that if you have less skills, if you don't know, you don't know. It's okay.
Yeah, yeah, that's another valuable point. Rather than giving so much in the resume and end up in getting caught in the web, it's better not to give so much. Whatever you know, you can give, and you can do those topics better during the interview. Yeah, that's a very good point. Thank you, Anchal. Thank you for joining us and sharing your experience. From our team Aim to Crack, we wish you all the best for your career at Deloitte. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hey guys, hope you all find the video informative, and if you do, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Our ethical cheating contest is also live, and for more information follow our Instagram page. All the social links are in the description below. Go check them out.